Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's travel and tourism topic, we will take you to the country Denmark. What's so special about this place? Watch ahead. Denmark is a country in northern Europe. It is situated to the north of Germany. Denmark is not an island but a peninsula surrounded by waters on many sides, and to its east there are many islands which belong to Denmark. The number of these islands is more than 400. But from among those, only 76 of them are inhabited. The largest city in Denmark is Copenhagen, and that is its capital too. Do you know about the Aurora Borealis that happens in Greenland? Even that is a part of the Kingdom of Denmark. Denmark is famous for being one of the happiest countries in the world. Why? As of the year 2020, Denmark was titled as the best country in the world to raise children. Also, one of the cleanest countries in the world is Denmark. Why is Denmark bagging these titles? Of all the countries in the world, Denmark is the one with the least corruption. It is a paradise to look for with scenic beauty. The Danes love association and socializing. They head outdoors or spend time with friends or family, cooking together, eating together around a table, and doing chores together are family activities in Denmark. What are some famous sightseeing places in Denmark? Watch ahead. Denmark has many museums. Its museums not just depict its history in culture and art that are preserved, but it also has museums of vintage cars or ancient ships and a toy museum too. Denmark also has beautiful ancient castles. Did you know that the world's oldest amusement park is also situated in Denmark? It is called Becken. It was opened in 1583 and since then it is still open today. Another widely known amusement park is the Tivoli Gardens, which is also a very old park. Another attraction is the Amalienborg Palace, where you can watch the Royal Guard with the formal attire standing with reverence for hours together. The Royal Guards is accompanied by the music band. With the formal march happening, this is where the changing of the guard ceremony takes place. This age-old ceremony is still held today and is a sight for many tourists to watch. A good time to visit Denmark is usually year-round, but it's during the months of June to August that Denmark is flooded with tourists as it's the perfect and pleasant weather. If you're looking forward to it, you can surely plan your trips during this season. You all know of the technology on your mobiles, tabs, laptops, etc. for connecting devices and sharing content. It's Bluetooth, right? Where did this name Bluetooth originate from? It was on one of the Danish Vikings whose name was called Harald Bluetooth. His name initials H as shown in their language script and B as shown according to their language were used as a logo for this technology. Why his name? He was the one responsible for uniting the tribes of Denmark into a single kingdom. Similarly, this technology helps in uniting and connecting different devices. So that's how the name was derived. If you plan to visit Denmark, where to stay, what are some attractions to look for, what to eat, take a look. In Denmark, out of all the different modes of transportation, bicycling is one of the primary means. Wanna go out, hang out with friends, commute to work? Bicycle is the preferred choice. Sunshine, rain, hail, snow, you will see bicyclists on their way. Danish cities even offer an extensive network of bicycle lanes. These lanes are strictly dedicated only for bicycling. Nice, isn't it? In Denmark, you will find most of the buildings only up to 6 stories. Very few of them are actually taller than 6 stories, but their designs and architecture are very modern and appealing. Traveling to Denmark can be an expensive package. Tourists mostly stay in the capital city, and the hotel can be booked for a price starting from 4,500 to 30,000 Indian rupees per night. Their food includes varieties of veggies with fish, pork, and bread. If you just want to sit, chat, relax, and have a drink, what's the best place? It's the New Havn, which is an old waterfront with colorful facade buildings where you can enjoy good food and drinks and spend quality time. All in all, Denmark is a complete country with good scenic views, quality education, business opportunities, and a great lifestyle.